Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel YT SEO Specialist. Today I am going to share with you a step-by-step guide to YouTube SEO in just 5 minutes. If you want more views, more subscribers and faster channel growth, then stay tuned till the end because I am breaking it down in the simplest way possible. Let's get started. YouTube SEO simply means optimizing your video so that YouTube's algorithm ranks them higher in search results and recommendation. Think of this way, YouTube is the world's second largest search engine after Google. If you do SEO right, your video can get discovered 24 into 7 even while you sleep. That's the power of SEO. The first step is your research. Use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or even YouTube search bar to find what people are searching for. For example, if you type YouTube SEO, you will see suggestions like YouTube SEO Tips 2025 or YouTube SEO for beginners. These are keywords you should use. Long tail keywords can rank your YouTube video easier and bring targeted viewers quickly. Now, once you have your keyword, here's how to optimize your video. Title. At first, put your keyword in the starting. Example. YouTube SEO Tips 2025. Grow your channel first. Description. Write at least 200 words naturally including your keywords. Add timestamps, links, and a clear call to action. Tags. Use relevant tags but don't stop them. Thumbnail. Make a clear, colorful and click-worthy thumbnail. Your thumbnail plus title is your video's first impression. Captions and subtitles. Adding subtitles improves SEO and accessibility. Chapters and timestamps. Break your video into sections for better engagement. Now let's talk about what really matters to YouTube algorithm. Watch time. The longer people watch, the better your video ranks. Click-through rate. Attractive thumbnails and titles links and increases clicks. Engagement. Likes, comments, shares and subscription send strong signals. Always end your video with a call to action like drop a comment with your biggest struggle on YouTube SEO or hit like if the video helped you. These small actions boost your video in this algorithm. So to quick recap, do smart keyword research. Optimize your title, description, text and thumbnails. Focus on engagement at watch time. That's YouTube SEO is in a nutshell. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on your channel. And let me know in the comment what topic you want to cover the next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.